15 fun facts about honeybees. Fact number 1. Honeybees live in hives or colonies. The members of the hive are divided into 3 types. Number 1, queen. Number 2, workers. Number 3, drones. And all the workers are always very busy. Fact number 2. A queen honeybee can lay more than 2000 eggs a day. That's so much. Fact number 3. Bees love blue and love cluster plants like lavender and rosemary. Very impressive. Fact number 4. Honeybees are the only insects that create food. By food we mean honey, which many species of bears and other animals eat a lot. Fact number 5. Over 80,000 bees live under one roof. That's a very big number. Fact number 6. Bees build up a small positive charge as they fly. I just really never heard about that before. Fact number 7. House of a honeybee is called a honeycomb. The shape of each cell is hexagonal in shape. And the shape really looks so beautiful. Fact number 8. Bees move their wings up to 200 times per second, creating their trademark buzz. And the voice that they just make around our head, which sometimes becomes really annoying. Fact number 9. Worker bees can carry a load of nectar or pollen equal to 80% of its body weight. That's very impressive. Fact number 10. Honeybees have a serious moves they perform. The waggle dance to show other bees where they can find the food. Very impressive. Fact number 11. A single bee colony can pollinate 300 million flowers a day. They really work so fast. Fact number 12. Honeybees can recognize human faces. Even though we are monsters to them, this fact really looks so amazing. Fact number 13. If bees become sleep deprived, they find it hard to function, so they need rest. I just really never heard about that before. Fact number 14. A toxic in bees' venom called melton kills the HIV virus. Amazing. Fact number 15. Plants have a small negative charge, so pollen jumps on the bee's body as it lands. That's a really interesting fact. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please consider staying connected.